How to make friends list private on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your friends list completely private on Facebook. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step you'll need to take is that open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, you can simply head over to the menu on the bottom right. And after you're on there, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now, after you're here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to settings and privacy. That is where you are right now. And after you're there, you'll need to scroll down and you should find an option that says how people find and contact you. Now it's under audience and visibility. Tap on it. And right there, you should see your friends. Now under there, you'll see who can see your friends list. Or yeah, so tap on it. And after you tap on that, you should find the option that says only me. Now this is the one I have selected. Now just tap on save. And now your friend list is only visible to you. And yeah, that is basically you can completely hide or completely make private your Facebook's friend list. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.